No, Mom's gonna do the turkey. Yeah, Dad wants ambrosia, so I guess we gotta get those miniature marshmallows. And I'll do the crescent rolls, and you do the cranberries. You know I can't cook. Oh. Yeah, well, I'll see you tomorrow then. Gobble, gobble. Oh, bye-bye.
Thanksgiving. The day that we celebrate our gratitude by eating without guilt. The day that we spend excessively long hours at the grocery store hunting down those holiday bargains and chasing down the best of frozen turkeys. There's a special moment at the end of Thanksgiving when the meal is served and everyone is gathered around the table. An even specialer moment when you realize that your turkey had once been the hat of a British comedian. But few things are more traditional on Thanksgiving than football. The tradition of football on Thanksgiving stretches back a long ways, into the black and white era even. Few things put people in the mood for turkey more than watching full-grown men run into each other at full speed. Few things say Thanksgiving more than watching guys jump over each other and bob and weave as they get chased down, all because they have a ball. And few things make people want pumpkin pie more than a guy jumping 3 feet in the air to catch a ball as it flies at 50 miles an hour. Yep, the tradition of football and Thanksgiving are intertwined and go back a long ways. And in the spirit of that tradition, we present to you the Fanatic Cakes from Sky King Fireworks, a series of 6 200-gram cakes inspired by college football teams. See, the Wolfman doesn't actually watch a lot of football, and if we do watch sports, it's normally basketball, but that doesn't start till March, which is why I misspoke and said basketball. But football on Thanksgiving is a tradition, and we love traditions. So let us know what you think of the Fanatic Cakes from Sky King Fireworks. Do they deserve an epic touchdown dance, or should we just cast them aside like week-old turkey meat? Trust me, week-old turkey meat is pretty gross. Are one of these teams your team? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and always be a light in the dark.
Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Which one was this? Hurricanes. Thank you, Ross. That's my name. I'm glad it's real good outside.
Weather's perfect.
Yeah. Gators. Dogs. Bulldogs. Knowles. bulls.
See that Bears game last week?
Yeah, hell of a game, hell of a game. Bears got a great team this year. They're gonna go all the way. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Neil, take my socks out of the sink if you're gonna brush your teeth.